Hi guys, welcome to Brains at the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. And I wanted to make a quick intro of this vlog style video and give you guys a little bit more information as to why I actually chose the Implanon as my preferred birth control, and give you guys some more facts and some more information. I feel like it's my due diligence. I'm not a doctor. I'm just giving you guys my experience with it and why I chose it. So it says the implant is a very small rod inserted underneath the skin of a woman's upper arm to provide birth control. It is invisible and prevents for up to 4 years. The common brand is Nexplanon. The implant releases progestin, a hormone that keeps ovaries from releasing the eggs. Progestin also thickens the mucus inside the body to prevent sperm from reaching eggs. It needs to be inserted into the arm by a healthcare professional. They said the effectiveness is over 99%. The availability is at some clinics, and at my particular clinic I had to call in advance to get it purchased for me. The first time I went, they didn't have any extras in stock, and so I had to get the shot, and then I had to wait those 3 months and then get the implant inserted. It says it lasts up to 4 years, but you can remove it if you're planning to have a child before those 4 years are up. So that's very good. And when I had it before, the removal process was pretty easy. It does not prevent it doesn't provide any protection from sexually transmitted infection, and the hormones it contains is progestin. That is the only hormones that is in the Implanon, and that was one of the big reasons why I chose it, and I'll get into that a little bit later. It says benefits and side effect. It says acne may increase, headaches may occur for some people, weight unlikely to be affected, menstrual changes may become irregular, especially during the first year. And other birth control options are like the pill, IUD, birth control shot, the patch, vaginal ring, diaphragm, spermicide, the cervical cap, the birth control sponge, and you can do tubercle ligation, vasectomy, or female condom or male condom. So those are the other options if you're going to look for birth control options. There's a lot out there, and I chose the implant because of how long it lasts, and another big reason is because it has progestin in it. And I'm gonna give you guys some information on progestin. As progestin are synthetic forms of the body's naturally occurring hormone progesterone. Progestin were designed to interact with progesterone receptors in the body in order to cause progesterone-like effects. This means that they do some of what the body natural progesterone does. Progestin are presented in all forms of hormonal birth control, either alone in the progestin-only methods like the implant, hormone IUDs, injection or mini pill, or with estrogen in a combined hormone birth control like the most pills, patch, vaginal ring, and some injection. Progestin prevents pregnancy by inhibiting ovulation and reducing the amount of stretchiness of the cervical mucus, making it unfriendly to sperm that are trying to enter the uterus. I wanted a progestin only birth control because I'm trying to find it here. Because I feel like when I have estrogen birth control, or when I would have progestin and estrogen birth control, it really messes with my mood, and I can't be bothered with that side effect. And also estrogen also made me gain weight and all this other stuff. moodiness, gain weight was not something that I was looking for, and that was one of the reasons why I pick the Implanon, and also how long it lasts. So with that being said, I'm probably gonna look busted and crusted in the next few clips. Forgive me. My vlog style videos is where I keep it real, everyday life, and you guys see me. If you want to see looks, if you want to see me serving looks, check out my makeup videos, fashion videos, or commentary videos. That's where you'll see that at, so don't judge me. So I'm at the doctor's office. I weigh 188. So that means I lost a good amount of weight. Not how much I wanted to lose, but that's okay. So I'm at the doctor's. I'm actually gonna get my birth control, and I'm gonna get the Implanon. So let's see what it says. It says the implant, a tiny rod put under the skin of the arms by clinicians. The rod slowly releases artificial hormones, stop ovaries from releasing an egg each month, thicken mucus in the cervix opening to the womb so it's hard for sperm to enter. Strong point, it can stay in there for 3 years, also always in place. It doesn't interfere with sex. And the other one may have some spotting between periods, light, longer, or no period at all. The beginning costs are high, $400 to $650 USD. Minor surgery required to insert or remove the rod. No protection from HIV or STD. I'm married. I'm not worried about HIV and STD. And my husband won't kill him already. Anyways, literally and figuratively. So yeah, that's what I'm getting. I had it before I had Kai, and I took it out, and we planned to have Kai, and then Milani came along. So now I'm getting it back in, put back in, basically. Okay, it's about that time. No more babies for me. So this thing is in my arm, but whoops, got it done. The procedure was a little bit painful, but it went by quick. He literally put it in like 2 minutes, my implant in like 2 minutes. And I have to keep this bandage thing on my hand for about 24 hours. So yeah, my hand is swollen. It's a lot swollen, so I can't wait to take this thing off my arm. And I haven't been getting any side effects just yet, but I will update you guys. Look who come. Look.
Take your son, man, off on the phone.
I'm actually videoing.
What are you doing now, man?
I was actually videoing. Doing a video. Alright, so look one babe. But yeah, Milani is in here with me. Kai went into the store with his dad. So yep, we're about to head home. Oh, mommy. Say hi. Say hi, mama. Say hi, mama. Say hi, mama. Hi, mama. Hi. So I getting ready for bed, but I wanted to update you guys on my Implanon. I got it the 22nd. Today is the 26th, and it was bruised worse, but it's going down. So yeah, I honestly feel like during these past days, I feel like the implant that I put in my hand, like if I move a certain way, I feel like there's a needle poking in my skin, and it hurts like hell. But it's getting better. As the days go by, it's getting better, and getting easier to deal with. So, and also during the first 24 hours, they wrap your hands, and your hand probably is gonna get swollen, but you can't take the wrapping off. So I'm about to change this thing. I've been trying to take showers and not get it wet, but I'm about to replace it. So this is how it looks. I put on my Scarway tape on it. They're pretty expensive, but they're really good. So yeah, I'm about to go to bed. Kai's already sleeping, baby's already sleeping. We were in the hospital all morning with Kai. So we're tired. But Milani stayed put for me to take a shower and get situated. Now I'm about to get her situated for bed. Say hi, mommy. Say hi. You being a good girl. You sitting right there for mommy. You being a good girl. You sitting right there for mama. For mama. For mama. You sitting right there for mama. Yeah. So yeah. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. So don't judge me. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope this was helpful. And I've also seen horror stories about people getting this implant put in and having it put in wrong. So please be careful. Make sure you go to somebody that know what they're doing. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. I really had to insert this clip, so bye. Anyway.